In today's video, I'll be using the new ChatGPT Work mode to audit and help me rank a website higher and get more AI search mentions. So if you don't know what ChatGPT Work is, it is a new way to use ChatGPT. It allows you to connect ChatGPT to your local files. So for example, I can connect it to my local files. I can connect it to my desktop. I can connect it with different plugins, Gmail, spreadsheet, so on and so forth. So essentially I can tell it to do anything to read my files on my desktop, and use that information to create a spreadsheet or to create a Google Doc and then send out an email with that information. So it's connected to all of your applications and your local computer. It's very similar to Claude Co-Work, which again allows you to connect to all of your native apps and your computer, and then also allows you to create scheduled tasks on a day-to-day basis. So in today's video, we're going to be using our SEO audit skill. So if you want to go ahead and get this skill, just comment ChatGPT Work below and I'll send you over this skill. So we went ahead and we put the skill into ChatGPT, and we can see that the audit is now finished. So we got an SEO audit and a keyword search report for this specific website. We got a score of 38 out of 100, technical SEO. We see the places of improvements, the keyword strategy, local SEO reviews, and AI search. And of course, everything here is going to be specific for you and actionable items that you can actually go out and do. So next, what I'm going to do is I've went ahead and actually connected our WordRocket MCP. In order to add WordRocket onto ChatGPT, you need to first head over to safety and login, and then you need to turn on developer mode. So turn it on, and then you go back over to plugin. We're going to go to browse plugin. We're going to click the plus button. We're going to name it WordRocket AI. And then for the connector, we're going to do HTTPS WordRocketAPI.com. And then once you do that, it'll connect you over to WordRocket, where you can then sign in. And once you sign in, your WordRocket connection will now be set up with ChatGPT. In the report that we got back from ChatGPT, we saw that there are some keyword ideas in which we can write about. So for example, this keyword is a Niagara Falls day trip from Toronto worth it? Content format, pages to create. So we see that this is a good article here, and we can essentially go ahead and send this over to WordRocket to generate. I've told it to generate this article in 3,000 words, use web search mode with 3 images, post it to our website directly, and use Claude Sonnet 5. So after a couple of minutes, and as you can see, it did use the WordRocket integration. The article is now posted onto our site. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you can see, we get a nice cover image here. We get the title, so is Niagara Falls day trip from Toronto worth it? Quick answer, key takeaways, and then we get the GEO optimized questions, and we get a nice table here, list, timings, another image, which looks really, really good, more GEO questions here, and our references, which Niagara options fits you, some code that needs to be cleaned up. So as you can see, ChatGPT Work is very, very useful when it comes to doing your SEO, when it comes to then connecting it with other plugins and tools. That's where you can really level up the features and the usability of ChatGPT Work. So if you guys want to go ahead and get this if you guys want to get this skill, just comment ChatGPT Work below and I'll send it over to you. I definitely recommend checking it out. All you need to do is download the desktop application of ChatGPT, and then you'll be able to access ChatGPT Work. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.